Fun with colors! Hello everyone! Today, let's draw an ice cream van. Do you like ice creams? Now, let's draw round and round wheels. Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. This is the front window. If you wish to color the same image of ice cream van, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. Let's draw a big ice cream on the top. This is the ice cream. Isn't it looking beautiful? It's ready! Let's color with fun with colors! Can you tell me which color is this? Yes, it's brown color. Let's color the wheels with brown color. Can you guess this color? Yes, this is orange color. This is green color. This is red color. It is purple color. Let's color the whole ice cream van with red color. Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. If you wish to color the same image of ice cream van, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. Do you like drawing and coloring? Which one is your favorite color? Do you like eating ice creams? Let's color the ice cream with pink color. This is blue color. This is orange. It's green. And this is red color. Wow! The ice cream van is ready!